Hi, everyone. I hope that I'm visible. This is the first time we are doing it. A very, very warm welcome to one and all. Today, it is a pleasure to actually bring to your kind attention the profile of a beautiful elite soul that we have on Hi-Fi Network Hub. For those who don't know me on a personal level, I am Rubina Ali Khan, and I represent the Indian company as well as the Singapore-based company. I would like to introduce to all of you all a very, very, very special person who has a variety of profiles to her name, right from being a chocolate maker to having a gift shop of her own, to being a business consultant to homemakers, the works. And without wasting too much of time, I will be adding her to the session right now. A very warm welcome to Divya ji. Divya Agarwal is an HNH elite, which means that you can trust her and depend on her 100%. A warm welcome, Divya ji.
Thank you so much, Rubina ji. It's a pleasure sharing the screen with you on this super special platform. Hi-Fi Network Hub is really close to my heart. I really relate to it every day, every moment. And that's super special for me to actually join you here on this initiative you've run on this platform.
Thank you very much, Divya ji. For our viewers who do not know Divya as much as they should, she's also an admin across Hi-Fi Network Hub WhatsApp groups. She's also the moderator on the Hi-Fi Network group on Facebook. Apart from the fact that she makes a huge difference and has a fan following on Hi-Fi Network Hub, she is a lady who is very, very supportive of anyone who turns to her for help, especially women. So where if there are any ladies here on the group who are watching us right now, I do hope that you will take the opportunity to connect with Divya on a personal level. Divya ji, before we get on to knowing more about what you do for the ladies, I would love to know how your journey has brought you this far. Who is Divya? We'd love to know more.
Divya is a very grounded person by heart who loves to be a kid inside and outside as well. I am a grown-up adult, a mom, but still I love to just have a fun time every day with my kid, with my family. That's actual Divya. And I love if I am able to actually spread some smiles, whatever reason may it be. I love it when I am able to spread some smiles to anyone who needs it the most, actually. Because होता है ना कि हम खुशियां तो बांट लेते हैं, लेकिन क्या उस खुशी में एक स्माइल सामने आती है, वो खुशी अंदर से फील होती है, वो दिव्या है एक्चुअली में, कि जो आपको अंदर से खुशी फील करा सके. एंड इफ आई शेयर अबाउट द जर्नी बिहाइंड दिव्या कमिंग दिस लॉन्ग, 14 years का टाइम जो मैंने स्पेंड किया है, आई मे स्टार्टेड विद एज 14 years ago I was actually a part of a beauty show and a networking show where I walked the ramp just casually. I was invited by somebody who was already being a part of that network. एंड मेरे लिए ना वो जर्नी वहां से थोड़ा सा एक फैसिनेशन की तरह से स्टार्ट हुई थी. बिकॉज कुछ लोग होते हैं किसी का बिजनेस देख के मोटिवेट होते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं किसी का टैलेंट देख के मोटिवेट होते हैं. मुझे जो फैसिनेशन हुई उस टाइम पर या मोटिवेशन मिली, आई रियली गॉट इंस्पायर्ड विद द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मीटिंग सो मेनी माइंडसेट्स at one platform, and that platform was a prestigious platform known to everybody, Hindustan Unilever. And I feel so blessed that I went to that beauty show. I walked the ramp. I won the contest, and I won the beauty queen contest there.
Wow.
There the journey started as Divya Agarwal being a networker, and
Well, we are on the virtual platform, and I'm not sure whether Divya ji is still visible to everyone, whether y'all can hear her or not. In case it is the network issue, I'm sure she'll come back online at the very earliest. One of the downsides of virtual networking, but let's give her a few minutes to see whether she's able to get back online. Meanwhile, while we wait for Divyaji to come back, I would...
Sorry for the network.
No issues at all. It is very understandable. I was giving them time to come back. In fact, please carry on. In fact, before you carry on, there is a very interesting question that is coming up in my mind. When you won the beauty pageant, and the fact that you are so beautiful, I'm sure they had no choice. But were you married already at that time, or were you still single?
I was married that time.
Fantabulous.
I call myself a Balika Vadhu because I got married so soon, just completed my studies and I got married.
I see. So obviously, a very big role that is being played in the background is by your very supportive husband. That is very obvious. Well, he's got a beautiful wife and such an energetic, vivacious person. So he has no choice, really. Please carry on, Divya. You were telling us more about your journey after the beauty pageant. What happened?
So there my journey began of being a networker. Basically, I learned so much in the company. I taught so much with the company. I took so many presentations. I took so many, let's say, workshops for regular skincare, regular makeups a woman could actually look up to, regular hair care, which is always a challenge for anybody actually.
Now
And that has helped me 14 years later as well. Because
I'm
during
sure.
all this lockdown pressure, pandemic that we are facing, I mean, everybody wants to feel safe at home, but yes, they want to look beautiful for themselves as well. So I have been guiding so many beautiful souls on video calls how they can actually groom up themselves, personal grooming with home based remedies, and personal grooming as in how they can do their haircut themselves that nobody can actually think about. So that has helped me now also after 14 years. So there when I started as a networker with beauty concepts, beauty consultancy as well, I learned so much. I thought there is something more in me that I want to explore. So soon, within 2 months, jewelry took place in my business list. As I always believe in adding one or two categories to my business, to my product list or to my consultancy list, jewelry took place, and there began the journey of a businesswoman.
Wow.
Within a span of 6 months, I was able to launch my own designing concepts and beautifully personalized, customized concepts in precious and semi-precious jewelry that is based on silver alloys. Because we always see ना metal से ये allergy हो गई, metal से वो problem हो गई. I always had that in my mind कि नहीं करना है तो सब कुछ ऐसा करना है जो किसी को problem ना दे आगे. तो सिल्वर वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन माई माइंड. हम जब कुछ एयर पियर्सिंग कराते हैं तो सिल्वर इज ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन कि आप यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आई प्लेड a lot with precious beads. I played a lot with semi-precious beads, and there began jewelry का add on. उसके
Okay.
बाद में within few years I came up with ideas of chocolates. Now I proudly say that I make chocolates with lots of experimental flavors which are not at all available at regular bakeries.
Mhm.
With that,
I
I
have
thought,
tasted, I have tasted your chocolate, so I know it is super delicious.
thank you so
And what makes them different from, why are they
much.
not available at the other bakeries, Divya?
If I talk about regular flavors available at the bakeries, regular bakeries, if I may just talk about, हम लोग देखते हैं, हम चॉकलेट्स जब परचेज करते हैं या तो आपको वो बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड लगेगी, आप उसको हल्का सा स्क्रैप करेंगे, कुछ पाउडर पाउडर सा आपको फील होगा, ड्राई पाउडर सा. वाई? बिकॉज बेकरीज में दे हैव अ टारगेट कि उनको इतना इन्वेस्ट करके प्रोडक्शन रखना ही है. प्लस द फ्लेवर लूजेस द एसेंस अगर वो आपका कुछ दिन पुराना बना हुआ रखा है उनके रेफ्रिजरेटर में. प्लस जो फ्लेवर्स वो बना रहे हैं, they are actually coping up with the regular clientele they are addressing. जो
Right.
हमें बनाना है as a home based business entrepreneur, I try and experiment with the flavors which are liked by my family also, so that I can think upon that concept कि अच्छा ये मैंने experiment किया था, इसको मैं और ज्यादा कुछ और enhance करके दूसरों को present कर सकती हूँ. I would like to share I am also an award winner chocolatier with
Wow.
celebrity choice flavors. I
Wow.
am all known for my special flavor, that is Pan Delight. I do not just infuse pan flavor in it. I play with pan basically. Then I create it into chocolates. There is a formulation with pan, then into a chocolate, and
Very
that also is available with lots of variations. Like you can get icy pan choco bites, which can be served to your guests. Post dinner, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, छोटा सा bite मिल जाए sweet का, that's a bite-sized chocolate icy delight. And there are few options. You can always come up with personalized gifting. आप अगर देखेंगे तो lots of chocolates are available with printed covers.
correct.
We also make beautiful chocolate shapes and designs with pan creations, and along with white chocolate, dark chocolate, and brown chocolate, जो regular sweet chocolate होता है हमारा. There are n number of variations available with nuts also and everything. I mean, lots of it. I can just go on and on with chocolates because I really love
I, I,
chocolate.
I can feel the affinity towards chocolates here. Chocolates here. Divya ji, there is a certain topic that I would like to direct your attention towards. I have seen on your Facebook that your Facebook group that you have, that you conduct a lot of interviews for those ladies who are blossoming out or getting involved with a new profile or a persona of being an entrepreneur.
Right.
I I have I am so thrilled that I am interviewing you while you have been interviewing the others. Having said that, why the focus on the women entrepreneurs? What is it about being an entrepreneur or helping people to become entrepreneurs? Why is it such a deep passion within you to do so? Still not able to hear you. Are we testing? Yeah. Good. Testing.
So why I have that soft corner for women entrepreneurs is, see, I actually am a networker since all these years that I'm working from, and I have actually seen that woman is an uncelebrated person. Personally, I have felt it, having conversation with so many mindsets. It's not about that, it's a general thing that I've seen. But many times, many would agree in our audiences also that actually this is a fact कि men do get opportunities to share their work among so many circles, but women do not get that opportunity until and unless they speak about it. तो मुझे लगा कि why not start a platform where women can actually feel free to share any knowledge, any talent they have in them, which is just waiting for one push. That one push which can actually make them create their own identity for themselves first. Because हम जब मिरर देखते हैं, हम क्या देखते हैं, हम अपने अंदर का भी कुछ समझते हैं. कई बार होता है, lots of us are talking to your own self when you are looking into the mirror. तो आप ये चीज समझते हैं कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमने अभी तक क्या ऐसा किया है और क्या आगे करना चाहते हैं. तो वो जो सोच होती है ना, जो मल्टीपल थॉट्स आते हैं, उसके ऊपर काम करने के लिए कई बार होता है कि हमें एक छोटा सा मोटिवेशन किसी का ऐसा मिल जाता है, मोटिवेशन किसी से मिल जाता है जो हमारे लिए इतना वंडरफुली काम कर जाता है. एंड दैट आई हैव एक्चुअली फेल्ट इन ऑल दीज इयर्स. मैं कभी किसी से कॉल पे बात करके किसी को गाइड कर रही हूँ, किसी को अगर वीडियो कॉल पे गाइड कर रही हूँ, या कोई एक होम मेकर है, आई रियली फील ब्लेस्ड अगर मैं किसी होम मेकर को गाइड कर पाती हूँ उनकी अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ. बिकॉज आई नेवर फोर्स एनीबडी कि आप यही प्रोडक्ट के साथ में काम कीजिए, whether it's a content writing or into some product or into some jewelry, anything. I do not guide them that ways, because that ways I am forcing my thought into their mind. I believe कि मैं उनसे पहले डिस्कस करती हूँ उनके क्या पैशन है, उनकी क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग है अपने आप को लेके, अपने सराउंडिंग को लेके, उनकी क्या एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस हैं, उसके बाद उनको गाइड करती हूँ विद दी अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे कैन लुक अप टू. लाइक अगर कोई इंटर्नशिप के लिए कोई स्टूडेंट अपने लिए ढूंढता है कोई काम, एंड शी हैज सम beautiful knowledge of words. I'll say words, basically words actually, because उसके साथ में they can always start their own blog. They can go for internship with some companies for their content writing. They can opt for digital marketing because उसमें उनको बहुत सारे ना अपने words के साथ खेलने का मौका मिलता है. They will never be comfortable अगर उनको कोई बोल दे आप रीसेलिंग कर लो जी जाकर ऑनलाइन.
Correct.
So that is the way we have to connect with their mind. अगर आप कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाओगे तो वो आपको रिलेट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे आपकी बातों से, या आपसे मोटिवेट ही नहीं हो पाएंगे. तो अगर मैं एक होम मेकर की बात करती हूँ, आई एम अ होम मेकर, आई एम अ होम बेस्ड बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर सिंस 14 years, and I look up to that concept for more years to come. I do not look up to a showroom because मुझे लगता है मैं जो सामने दिखा पा रही हूँ वही मेरे साथ में जो लेडीज जुड़ रही हैं वो देखकर समझ पाएंगी. अगर मैंने शोरूम खोल लिया तो वो तो ये सोचेंगे अच्छा इसका तो बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट लगा होगा, मैं कैसे करूंगी.
Correct. Correct.
Because budget is always a first challenge for any woman to start a new business.
This is right. Thank you for sharing that, Divya ji. I'm going to take your attention back to, I'm sure of course when people hear you speak, I'm sure they must be seeing a very nice smooth flow of what you've been through, but I'm sure it is not like that. There would have been many challenges. What was your biggest challenge as a home-based business lady to overcome? What was your biggest challenge and how did you overcome it?
See, अगर मैं challenges की बात करती हूँ ना, तो challenges is a part of our life every day. मैं आज भी अपने लिए हर moment को challenging समझती हूँ, and I always say learning is there in every single moment I live. Learning never ends मेरे लिए हमेशा सबसे ऊपर रहता है. तो अगर challenges मैं वैसे देखती हूँ तो as I am a homemaker first, that is my priority. I have to look after my household tasks beautifully so that I am not making somebody feel disappointed with my responsibilities that is expected. It is not that everybody is expecting so much, but it is an automatic mindset that is created that yes, if I am a home lady, I am having some sort of responsibilities. Of course, I will fulfill that. उसके साथ में अगर मुझे अपना बिजनेस होल्ड करना है, there is technology now, but if I talk about 14 years ago, there was not so much of opportunities. If I say कि हमारे पास स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं थे तब इतने ज्यादा, हमारे पास इतना ओपन इंटरनेट एक्सपोजर नहीं था. I used to conduct one-on-one interactive sessions either at my place or at my friend's place for some or the other knowledge sharing or some presentation or some workshop. तो धीरे धीरे करके हमने टेक्नोलॉजी को जब अडाप्ट किया है, दैट इज हेल्प मी अ लॉट, बिकॉज उससे मैंने अपना टाइम शेड्यूल चेंज करा. पहले अगर मैं आफ्टरनून आवर्स में ही ज्यादा स्पेंड कर रही थी अपने काम में, नाउ आई एम एबल टू रीशेड्यूल दैट कि कुछ घंटे सुबह दिए, कुछ घंटे शाम को दिए, कुछ मैंने टाइम अपना आफ्टर डिनर भी दिया. तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि मैंने किस तरह से उसको मोल्ड करा टाइम के साथ, बिकॉज चेंज एंड एक्सेप्टेंस बोथ वर्क टुगेदर. आपने टाइम को एक्सेप्ट करा, आपने टेक्नोलॉजी को एक्सेप्ट करा, इसी तरह से आपने चेंजेस लाए अपने फॉर्मेट में. तो वो आए. प्लस अगर मैं पर्सनल लेवल पे चैलेंजेस बोलती हूँ, बिटवीन दीज 4 years ओनली आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग गुड न्यूज. तो मेरे लिए वो चैलेंजिंग था. आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट अलोन, प्रिकॉशन सेक या फिर सेफ्टी सेक या फिर जैसे कहते हैं ना प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर घर से क्रिएट हो जाती है. तो उसकी वजह से आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट अलोन. तो मैंने उस टाइम पर अपनी कॉल्स के साथ में थोड़ा सा मेंटेन करा अपना बिजनेस. थोड़ा सा मेरी फैमिली मेंबर्स ने, स्पेशली माय सिस्टर इन लॉ, really supported me that moment. She used to manage all my physical वाला जो होता था ना, कुछ अगर गिव एंड टेक कह लीजिए या कुछ अगर फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट मुझे साथ में चाहिए, she really helped me a lot that ways. तो धीरे धीरे
sorry, please yes, go on.
That's how it went on smoothly for me. बिकॉज चैलेंजेस मैं अभी भी अपने लिए बोलती हूँ, आज भी मेरे लिए एक चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन है. वाई? बिकॉज लॉकडाउन ने हमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस दिखा दिए. उन चेंजेस को मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया एंड आई मेड श्योर कि मैं उस अपने नेटवर्किंग कनेक्शन को, हार्टफेल्ट नेटवर्किंग कनेक्शन जो मैं हमेशा फील करती हूँ, मैं टेक्नोलॉजी को अडाप्ट करके मेंटेन कर सकती हूँ. आई यूज्ड फेसबुक, आई यूज्ड इंस्टाग्राम, I used LinkedIn, I used YouTube. I mean, you can name the platforms. I used everything. I used calls, video calls, Zoom, everything you can just talk about. मैंने सब कुछ use करा.
So in other words, the biggest challenge that I am able to understand from what you are saying is to make sure that your presence is continuously felt. कि audience रहे, आप marketing कर सकें. Even if you're not able to sell, you would like to have the audience that you would be able to connect with. And that challenge, I think you were able to come by adapting yourself to the different facilities that were made available as time moved on. That is wonderful. Divya ji, I also know something about your personal family. I know that you are your son's greatest fan. Now, he helps you a lot with your technology issues. I also know that today, while you were helping me to set this whole thing up, your son was also playing a very important role there. I'm not sure whether he's ready to come on to the camera so that we can all wave out to him. If he's around, we'd love to see him. But tell us more about your son and the kind of role he plays in supporting you as a modern child in your life, because all these kids are so computer savvy. Please unke bare mein kuch bataiye. I would love to know more about the little one.
Yes, my son is my charming, adorable kid. I mean, हर माँ के लिए उनका बच्चा हमेशा बच्चा ही रहता है, टेडी बेयर. तो वो आई मीन उसके लिए मैं एक रोल मॉडल प्ले करती हूँ, मेरे लिए वो एक रोल मॉडल प्ले करता है. Why? Because we both have different adaptations, different understanding amongst our own knowledge as well. He is a very techno freak child.
How old is your son?
He's just 11. and he actually runs his tutorial videos on YouTube. How
Wow.
to create games.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
Amazing.
He has even uh, conducted a live session on Facebook a few days ago to share with his age group children that how they can learn to create a game within 40 minutes or so. He taught
Fantabulous.
children. Now
Fantabulous.
he's all set to conduct a Zoom session where he'll be teaching more kids, and we have my friends' children, his friends' moms asking, "Okay, we want to attend that session even from outside the country, not only in India but abroad as well." So
Divyaji,
he,
you must make it a point to share with us when the Zoom session is. It would definitely be our honor to make sure that we encourage your little one. I was fascinated with him because I knew he was guiding us through you to make sure that we were able to conduct this session properly. Divyaji, a couple of things that I would want to ask you, your hair products and your skin products, it makes total sense that because of the beauty pageant a lot happened that got you here. Uh, why do you recommend these homemade products, and how long do they last? How healthy are they? Why should a person who is going to be able to buy products that have been tested out on animals, and where scientifically they've been proved to be safe, why should they leave those products and look at you and your home based solutions for the skincare? Why?
see, we have all aware generation these days, whether it's a college student or, in fact, I may talk about a grown up school student also. We are all aware that testing on animals doesn't sound safe for us as well. ह्यूमन स्किन और एनिमल स्किन आप कुछ हद तक पैरामीटर सिमिलर मान सकते हैं, बट सेम नहीं होती है. तो अगर आप टेस्टिंग ऑन एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स को इतना अडेप्ट करते हैं, यू कैन नॉट बी श्योर हाउ डीपली इट इज इफेक्टिंग योर स्किन. हम लोग हमेशा से कंपनीज के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते आए हैं. yes, there are safe products being manufactured by so many known companies. इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं. आई डू नॉट से कि बार देम ऑल, लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स भी बन रहे हैं. लेट्स सी अबाउट कि अगर आप बोलते हैं कि एंटी एजिंग क्रीम अवेलेबल एट 100 रुपीज ऑफ कॉस्ट, डू वी एक्चुअली नो एंटी एजिंग में हमें क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए होती है क्रीम को बनाने के लिए? नो, एवरीबडी डजंट नो दैट. बिकॉज हम तो सुनते हैं कि उसका एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट चला, सेलिब्रिटी ने यूज करके दिखाया है. Don't we all know कि सेलिब्रिटीज वो हर प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं करते हैं?
This is true.
तो हम लोग उस चीज को इतना अच्छे से बिलीव क्यों कर लेते हैं कि हम भी वो प्रोडक्ट यूज करेंगे तो हमारी स्किन ऐसी हो जाएगी, हमारे बाल ऐसे हो जाएंगे, हमारे टीथ ऐसे हो जाएंगे? नो, इट इज नॉट एक्चुअली अ प्रैक्टिस विच इज टू बी डन. हम लोग अगर होम बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं, दिस इज नॉट अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट दैट हैज कम अप. हम अगर एंशियंट टाइम्स की बात करते हैं, उस टाइम पर भी तो होममेड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होते थे ना. हमारी अगर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं या फिर एंसेस्टर्स के टाइम का बोलते हैं, एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू मेक ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट देमसेल्व्स. तो अगर उन्हीं तरह की कुछ रेसिपीज को यूज करके हम अपने लिए स्किन रेमेडीज बना सकते हैं, व्हाई नॉट गो फॉर दैट?
What is the shelf life of these products?
Some product has a shelf life of only 6 months. Some product has a shelf life of 2 years also, depending upon what. Yes, depending upon what product is it. तो वो आपको मैटर करता है कि आप क्या प्रोडक्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन लेते हैं. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि मैं बनाती हूँ, आई एम ऑल्सो गाइडिंग पीपल ऑन देयर रेगुलर हेयर केयर. उनको मैं रेसिपी बताती हूँ पर्सनलाइज, जो वो अपने किचन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स उठाकर खुद के लिए अपना ऑयल बना सकते हैं, खुद के लिए अपना स्क्रब बना सकते हैं. I make sure कि मैं video conferencing करूँ so that I am able to know their skin or hair needs proper manner में, because सिर्फ pictures में वो clarity नहीं मिलती है ना, अगर
So
हम मिलते तो बता पाते।
a quick question here, Divya ji. So how does this work really when you are giving a consultation online? So are these consultations charged?
By heart, I do not charge anything.
So you just give them free information.
That is something I believe, if I have that knowledge, I am blessed by divine powers, I am able to share that knowledge. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है अगर किसी को वो knowledge काम आती है तो। I know people say कि something insane,
So
but
it just goes to show that you are a giver. There is no doubt about it. I see you doing so much for people even across Hi-Fi Network Hub. So for me, I find it very easy to believe. Having said that, I'm also looking at some comments that are coming through the Facebook, which I will see if there are any questions that anybody would like to ask. I'm very happy to put them across to you. There is okay. Name 3 things, Divya ji, which are very close to your heart.
Close to my heart is every single bit of product or service that I am working on, because वो मेरे लिए सारे मेरे babies हैं. But अगर to top them on the list, I'll say precious beads की कुछ combinations in bracelets, or I may just show. This is my favorite.
Okay,
This is pure silver. I call it as my hand Mangal Sutra. Some people use it as Nazariya. This is customized as per the age group because size alag hota hai. This is my favorite actually. जैसे कहते हैं ना मैं खुद की favorite हूँ, ये मेरा favorite है.
अच्छा.
So and the next thing would be my Pan Delight combinations
of chocolate
milk. Yes. Then another would be the soap creations and the scrubs. Dry scrubs I make because that lasts longer than the wet
skin. You are really gorgeous and you've got flawless skin. So
after my mama's time actually.
No, but I'm sure your products are obviously being used by you, and your skin is definitely flawless. So you're a great advertisement for your products. Divya ji, tell us something more about yourself. और अच्छी चीजें बताइए खुद के बारे में.
अच्छी चीजें बस मैं तो बहुत बातें कर सकती हूँ, लगातार बातें कर सकती हूँ. I am always known as a chatterbox even after marriage. My husband says you are never less with words. मैं बोलती हूँ ना I am short with words. He says अच्छा with frowning eyes, अच्छा you are short with words. I don't think so. वो मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा बोला जाता है कि हाँ I am a chatterbox.
How can people connect with you, Divya ji?
People can connect with me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, video calls. I mean, any medium they find comfortable connecting through, because I am available on LinkedIn also, Twitter also, everywhere.
And under the name of specifically your personal profile or your company profile? How
Desire by Divya can be searched on Google and it will show you all the links. Facebook का भी link Desire by Divya से आ जाएगा, Instagram भी Desire by Divya से आ जाएगा, LinkedIn भी आ जाएगा, Twitter भी आ जाएगा, YouTube भी आ जाएगा, everything.
It's a standard.
Yes, Divya is there with my brand as well, because Desire by Divya spreads everywhere.
How did the name Desire come to be?
आपने कुछ सुना होगा इच्छा सब में होती है, तो मुझे लगा इच्छा होगी तो पूर्ति भी होगी. इच्छा की पूर्ति करने के लिए डिजायर एज एन इच्छा, Divya's desire.
Wow. And how can we thank you for your time, your patience, for the ladies and the gentlemen. I'm sure she will never say no to even helping any of the gentlemen who approach her for any sort of advice, hand holding, even if you're an entrepreneur who wants to begin your business from home, to connect with her. But ladies in particular, if you would like to be showcased on her group, being interviewed by Divya, please do connect with her. Divya ji,
Can I add one more thing?
of course you can. You
People,
must.
people actually get surprised when I share that yes, every woman who does a home-based business has their own WhatsApp groups. But I happily and proudly share, I also run a all men group on WhatsApp for all men accessories, and I am the only woman in that group.
Wow.
Yes. People get actually surprised to know this fact. And if we say that I am guiding men and women both, yes, you will be happy to know, Rubina ji, that H&H people have also connected with me. Men I'm talking about, sometimes for their hair care solutions or skin care solutions, and sometimes for their wives' hair care issues or something. I mean, I feel so happy if I'm able to guide them with anything that I am having in my knowledge. वो
And
बहुत
we
अच्छा
feel
लगता है.
very happy. We feel super thrilled when we know that H&H members are adding value to each other. It has been a wonderful, wonderful session, Divya ji. I need to personally thank you for being my first person here to have been on the Facebook group. It has been, we've been wanting to do this for over a year and it's never really happened. And God is witness that if it was not for you and your idea of using this beautiful methodology that we've done, the credit goes to this.
StreamYard.
What is this called? What is this app that we...
StreamYard.
Again?
StreamYard.
StreamYard, and it's written there, powered by StreamYard, which is right next to your face, right on top. This was a wonderful idea. The whole session was done so that we practice this. You have made it so easy, so beautiful. This particular session is this is more to showcase everything that you are, the helping hand that you are, the guiding light that you are, not only for your own clients, but also towards H&H and the members on H&H. Today, what you have done for H&H is going to have its rippling effect with all the others for whom we will be doing these sessions. We cannot thank you enough. You are truly a feather in our cap, and we are very, very proud of you.
It's an honor. It's an honor, actually. Seriously, I feel so blessed that I am able to be a part of this initiative, and that too inaugurating that initiative.
Thank you. Thank you. This is really wonderful. Thank you again. For the viewers here, please know that Divya ji is an H&H elite. An H&H elite is that person who is committed to giving their utmost best to you. So reach out to her. And if you say H&H, she will just end up going the extra miles for you. Thank you again, Divya. The Almighty bless you all.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.